Welcome to the Google Drive Get Drive to PC training video. So this, if you're not using a Chromebook, if you happen to use a PC or a Mac, this particular feature is very helpful. I will say that. I always get this for any PC. I just received a PC for my new job, and I definitely downloaded Get Drive for PC. And I'll kind of go through the why on this particular video here as well. So if I'm in my Drive, on the left-hand side, you see Get Drive for PC. Now, I already have it, so this doesn't actually go away. It always stays there. If I click on it, you see that a new tab will pop up, and it says that Drive for Mac and PC, Android devices, iPhone, or iPad. So I would click on this. Now, I'm not going to go through this because I don't have administrator rights to my machine, so you may want to check to see if you have admin rights to your machine before you can do that. You may not be able to actually set that up. You may have to contact tech department or put in a work order to make that happen. But taking a look at what happens when you do this, I will open up this and open up my documents, and then you will see that in my documents I have a Google Drive section that tells you that anything that I create on my desktop, I actually have a Google Drive. So you can put in PowerPoints, Excel any Microsoft documents, any Apple documents, any PDFs, pictures within your Drive from the actual menu button or a folder button within your Drive. So when you create a new document, you can actually click on Google Drive and you can share or save stuff directly in those folders. It will sync. You can kind of vaguely see the little green check mark. That means that everything in those folders are up to date and online within my cloud on my Drive. So as I add items to these folders, you'll see a little blue arrow circular thing, and it means it is working to upload those. This really becomes in handy when you're talking about Chromebooks and working offline. Students, if they don't have access to internet at home, they may be working on documents at home and it stores it on that particular drive on the computer. When they get back to internet connection, the Chromebook or Drive knows to go ahead and sync it back up to online, and it'll eventually make its way back up there. And so that allows them to completely have access to those documents. So it's another great feature. You can easily see which folders have been shared. So if I'm on my PC and I want to put a document somewhere where it's not been shared, then I would want to go ahead and choose one of those here. So if I choose one of these folders that's shared with, as soon as I put it in there, whoever has that shared access will be able to see what I've added. So just keep in mind, in case you're putting up sensitive material, of where you're actually putting those documents. So I would definitely recommend, if you're working on a PC or a Mac, go ahead and download PC for Drive or Get Drive for PC, because it just makes things a lot easier when you're saving documents outside of my Google Drive.